Oh, Math Gad, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning a lot and we're going to be improving our math skills. Before we continue with the video, guys, it's very important to me and for the OHMATHGAD community for it to grow. If you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and don't forget to share with your friends. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications. Let's begin.
Oh my God.
Hello guys, so today's video is a practice, a very short practice with just two problems of solving multi-step equations. So basically equations where you have the distributive property and then you have to rearrange the terms in order to solve like terms, and that's pretty much it. So let's begin. So guys, as I was telling you, usually whenever we have multi-step equations, we have the distributive property like we have here. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we are basically just going to be solving the distributive property first. So in this case, we have the 3, and we're gonna multiply the 3 by everything inside the parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times minus 5 is minus 15, right? Now we have the minus 5x outside the parentheses, and that is equal to minus 25 plus 6x. Now that we have done the distributive property, now we can continue and proceed with rearranging the terms. So everything that is a variable, I'm going to arrange it. I'm going to move it to the left side. So 3x minus 5x, and then I'm going to move that plus 6, negative 6, and then this minus 15, I'm going to move it to the right side. So now it's going to be positive 15 minus 25, which is going to stay there. Now 3x minus 5x is going to be minus 2x minus 6x, and that is going to be equal to minus 10. So now we have minus 8x is equal to minus 10. Now x is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 8, and that is going to give us an answer of 1.25. Also 5 divided by 4 when we simplify it, or 1.25. And that is going to be our answer for x. So again guys, the first thing we did is that we used the distributive property. So 3 multiplies x and minus 5. Then we rearrange. After we rearrange, we're just going to solve like terms. So everything that has x, 3x minus 5x minus 6x, right? And then we have 15 minus 25, and that is going to give you minus 10. And then we just solve the terms like we already know. Now let's look at the other one. So in the other one, we have 3 distributive properties. So we have 7 times b and 7 times 5, 4 times b and minus 4 times 4, 2 times b and 2 times minus 1. So let's solve that distributive properties first. So here we have 7b plus 35. Negative 4 times b is negative 4b. Negative 4 times negative 4 is going to be plus 16. Is going to be 2p minus 2 plus 6. So then I'm choosing that every single thing with a coefficient, I'm going to leave it on the left side. And everything that has a number, I'm going to put it on the right side. So 7p minus 4p minus 2p is equal to minus 2 plus 6 minus 16 minus 35. Now, 7 minus 4 minus 2 is actually 1, or p, because you know that 1p is the same as p. So that's equal to negative 2 plus 6 minus 16 minus 35, and that is equal to minus 47. So when we divide by 1, p is equal to minus 47, and that is going to be your answer. So again, pretty straightforward, guys. Pretty easy too. but you have to remember that the distributive property affects both terms of the parentheses. And then you just have to continue applying what we have already learned. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow OHMATHGAD in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!